Looks like the makers of Tandav have more trouble brewing, and this time it's with the Karni Sena. According to Times Now, as the makers of Tandav have hurt religious sentiments, the Karni Sena has announced an award to the person who will chop the tongue of the makers of the web series. The political drama has been caught up in several controversies ever since its release. However, this is not the first time the Karni Sena is at loggerheads with the entertainment industry. The Karni Sena previously threatened to chop off Deepika Padukone's nose and Sanjay Leela Bhansali's head during the making of Padmavat. Coming back to the controversy surrounding Tandav, the team had issued an apology earlier saying Tandav is a work of fiction and any resemblance to acts and persons and events is purely coincidental. The cast and crew did not have any intention to offend the sentiments of any individual, caste, community, race, religion or religious beliefs or insult or outrage any institution, political party or person living or dead. The cast and crew of Tandav take cognizance of the concerns expressed by the people and unconditionally apologize if it has unintentionally hurt anybody's sentiments. After a complaint had been lodged against the makers of Tandav featuring Saif Ali Khan, pictures of policemen outside the actor's residence in Bandra began going viral. BJP MLA Ram Kadam told a news publication strict action should be taken against the actor, director and producer of the web series. The policeman was seen at the gate of the actor's house to avoid any kind of trouble. BJP MP Manoj Kotak wrote to Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar requesting him to ban the web series Tandav. It seems that the makers of Tandav have deliberately mocked Hindu gods and disrespected Hindu religious sentiments, he wrote. However, there was some good news for fans as Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor had recently moved into their new apartment. On the work front, Saif Ali Khan has several interesting films in the pipeline. The actor has been shooting for Bhoot Police in Himachal Pradesh, along with Arjun Kapoor, Jacqueline Fernandez and Yami Gautam. Apart from Bhoot Police, Saif will be seen in Om Rod's bilingual film Adi Purush, along with South superstar Prabhas. Saif will be portraying the role of Lankesh in the film. Saif landed in some legal trouble after making a controversial statement about his character in the upcoming film. Reportedly, Saif said that the film will be making an attempt to make Lankesh humane. The remark didn't go down too well with certain sections of the society. An advocate later filed a plea in the Court of Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate in Uttar Pradesh Jaipur district. Saif Ali Khan is a true gentleman. He quickly apologized in a statement.